Okay, so the rear room is finished. Let's see if we can pull it off yet. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Yep, there we go. Get rid of the tower there. Off into the trash box. So, yeah, ton of poop. But once again, looking very nice. So that will go, I guess, basically in the design of the sub. It will be a back room to this. But yeah, it's coming along good. Alright, let's see what we can print next. Another multicolour print underway. So this time, that's the tower. This time we've got the lockers for the back room. So this is being printed sideways. It will end up being vertical. Those will be the top lockers. This will be a table, desktop area. So it's probably about 3/5 of the way through it height-wise. It'll come up about here. So far so good. The only issue I had was my usual green filament break when I'd left it running. But apart from that, it's going along well. I'll just let it carry on. Update time again. So this time I got the storage drawers and cupboards done. Slipped that inside the rear cabin section, and everything came out good until I had a filament break right at the end. That was the bottom, printed all the way up, and I grabbed the print head to move it to one side because I wanted to unscrew the nozzle, and a print head wasn't moving because it was still locked in position. I forced it, and then when it resumed printing, there was a tiny layer shift, as you could see there. Once it restarted, there you go, you can see it again there. So I'm just going to have to sand that down and put a little bit of filler in there. I am not going to reprint that whole thing, just for that tiny bit on the end there. So yeah, just going to use a little filler. Probably won't see it when the rest of the cabin is surrounding it anyway. So yeah, but came out good. So see what bits I need to do next. Probably start spraying the base. So anyway, let's see what I can come up with.